the silent conversation we hold with ourselves day in and day out. It is an extraordinary phenomenon that often goes unnoticed, yet it shapes the very fabric of our existence. This powerful force has the potential to mold our reality, paving the path to our dreams or becoming the obstacle that hinders our progress. How do you speak to yourself? Are your words and thoughts nourishing and empowering, or do they hold you captive in a prison of self-doubt and negativity? You see, our inner dialogue is like a whispering oracle, echoing in the depths of our consciousness, and it directly influences our emotions, actions, and the outcomes we attract into our lives. How inner dialogue affects your reality. Inner dialogue is the constant stream of thoughts and conversations unfolding in our minds. That internal chatter narrates our perceptions, beliefs, and interpretations of the world around us, and more importantly, our own selves. Imagine it as a symphony of words, some melodious and uplifting, while others are discordant and demoralizing. This self-talk plays an intriguing role in shaping our reality. Like skillful artists, we use our inner dialogue to paint the canvas of our lives, creating portraits of joy, sorrow, triumph, or defeat. It is an intimate dance between the conscious and subconscious mind, where each thought holds the potential to become a brushstroke on the canvas of our experiences. Positive self-talk in this situation would be saying, "I did it. I am capable and I can achieve anything I set my mind to." This uplifting inner dialogue celebrates victory and fuels the belief in one's capabilities. On the other hand, consider a moment of setback or failure. Negative self-talk might rear its head, whispering, "I'm a failure. I always mess things up." This critical inner dialogue intensifies the feelings of disappointment and reinforces limiting beliefs. Yet, fear not, for with awareness and practice, we can transform the negative into the positive, the dark into the light. The power lies within us to choose the words we utter to ourselves. Influences on thoughts, feelings, actions, and results. Thoughts are the seeds that shape our perceptions and beliefs. Positive self-talk nurtures constructive beliefs, which in turn leads to an optimistic worldview. In contrast, negative self-talk breeds doubts and pessimism, distorting our lens on life. Feelings are the colors that paint the canvas of our emotions. Positive self-talk ignites a radiant spectrum of emotions, love, joy, and gratitude, while negative self-talk douses the canvas with darker hues of fear, anger, and sadness. Actions are the strokes that create the masterpiece of our experiences. Our inner dialogue fosters confidence and determination, so we take bold strides toward our goals. But when self-talk harbors self-doubt, it holds us back from realizing our true potential. As the culmination of thoughts, feelings, and actions, results form the artwork that adorns our reality. Positive self-talk aligns us with success and abundance, while negative self-talk weaves a narrative of failure and scarcity. The profundity of inner dialogue is not confined to philosophy and spirituality. Science, too, has probed its mysteries. Numerous studies in psychology and neuroscience have shed light on the profound impact of self-talk on human behavior and well-being. Research has revealed that individuals who practice positive self-talk experience reduced stress levels, increased self-esteem, and enhanced overall psychological well-being. Furthermore, those who embrace a growth mindset through affirming self-talk demonstrate higher resilience in facing challenges. The scientific evidence underscores the significant role of inner dialogue in shaping our realities, both internally and externally. Understanding the nature of inner dialogue. Before we dive into the strategies, let's grasp the essence of our inner dialogue. Our minds are like vast landscapes where thoughts bloom and cascade like a river. Like a brushstroke on a canvas, each thought paints a picture of our lives. However, not all brushstrokes create a masterpiece. Often, we unconsciously fall into negative self-talk patterns, doubting our worth, abilities, and potential. The first step towards improvement is awareness. Observe your thoughts without judgment. Notice how certain thoughts make you feel. Empowered, anxious, or disheartened. Awareness lays the foundation for change. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you offer to your dearest friend. When faced with self-criticism, pause and ask, would I say this to someone I care about? If not, reframe the thought with gentle and encouraging words. In times of difficulty, remember to be gentle with yourself. Replace harsh judgments with loving acceptance, and you'll witness a blossoming of inner peace. Positive affirmations. Introduce positive affirmations into your daily routine. Choose words that resonate with your aspirations and repeat them with conviction. I am worthy of love and success. I am capable of achieving my dreams. These affirmations become the seeds that manifest abundance in your life. Visualization. Engage in vivid visualization to manifest your desires. Create a mental movie of your dream life, embracing the emotions and sensations of achieving your goals. As you visualize your dreams, let the feelings of joy and fulfillment wash over you. The universe will align with your visions and bring them to life. Mindful breathing. Harness the power of breath to center yourself during challenging moments. Practice mindful breathing to calm the turbulence within. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, let go of negativity. With each breath, you'll find clarity and renewed strength. The ripple effect of positive inner dialogue. Embracing a positive inner dialogue transforms your thoughts and radiates into every aspect of your life. You'll notice a ripple effect in your relationships, career, and overall well-being. With increased self-belief, you'll fearlessly pursue your passions and open doors to new opportunities. Positive energy. Positive energy attracts like-minded souls, strengthening your connections with others. Though the path to better inner dialogue is enlightening, it has its challenges. Negative thought patterns may resurface, but do not be discouraged. When faced with doubt, remember that your thoughts do not define you. Thoughts come and go like passing clouds. Your response to them matters. Cultivating a positive inner dialogue requires patience and consistency. It is a lifelong practice that evolves with time. Be kind to yourself on this journey. Rome wasn't built in a day, and inner transformation takes time. You are the architect of your life, and your thoughts are the building blocks of your reality. Embrace this truth with open arms, for it is the key to unlocking your limitless potential. You unleash a force that propels you toward your heart's desires by cultivating a positive and empowering inner dialogue. I want to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you for joining me on this profound exploration of self. Your presence and dedication to personal growth inspire me, and I hope that together we can create a ripple effect of positivity that reaches every corner of the world.